video, we're going to talk about ordering leads, and it's going to be a masterclass on how to order leads, how to work leads, all that kind of stuff. So as you know, in the left-hand side of the back office, there's a section that says leads, and you can click on order leads, okay? And before we get into the order leads, we have to let you know a few things. The first thing to know is the lead is not going to come in through one of your capture pages, okay? These leads are coming in through capture pages that have already been pre-built and that are advertised all over. So I want to show you an example of where these leads are coming from, the kind of pages. There's multiple pages. This is just going to be one example, but there's multiple pages that these people are coming in on. And here's one of the pages. The first thing you'll notice on this page is it's 100% generic. It talks about, are you ready for freedom? Can you imagine a life where you earn money from home, experience time freedom, be your own boss? Our recession-proof business is changing lives like yours fast. Join the thousands we've helped make extra income from the comfort of their home. Now, the reason that we generate leads this way is because we sell to about every product and service you can name. We sell to travel companies, weight loss companies, Bitcoin companies, credit repair companies, water companies, makeup companies, skincare companies, you name it. So what this does is when it generates a lead, you're generating someone that is looking, obviously, for a home-based business that would like to make some money from home, that would like to have some time freedom, and it sets them up for you to go back and show them your particular business. And we've been selling leads over 5 years. We have testimonial after testimonial after testimonial from the people that work with leads the right way, and they get lots and lots of results. It's also good for everybody in an NFL club. If you've already wasted all the time talking to your family members, your friends, the Starbucks guy, your coworkers, and you need people to talk to and show your business to, this is a great way. Now, these are real-time leads. So as the lead comes in, we literally deliver them in real time to the people that order leads. We sell them from us. We only sell leads one time. We do not sell a lead multiple times. So example, Joe orders leads. Someone comes in through this page. It's going to literally go into Joe's order, and they're going to get that name, email, and phone number. Now, how do the people find this page? Well, we have advertisements in magazines like this. I'm sure if you've gone to Barnes & Noble, if you've gone through your airport, you go through your Walgreens, you'll see magazines like Home Business magazines, Small Business Opportunity magazines, Entrepreneur magazines. You know, when people pick up these kind of magazines, these are entrepreneur type people. What are they looking for? Again, this one says network marketing right on the front. These people are looking for ways to make money. So it's a great source. We also have done radio ads, television ads, on a lot of online marketing. Again, using all the keywords about making money from home, working from home. You know, they would go, they see a website and the advertisement in a magazine like that. Again, it would open to a page like this. They fill out more information. So they're great leads because they're generic. They're looking to make money right now. They're answering an ad about making money. They're answering an ad about working from home and time freedom, and they're delivered right to you. Now, I'm going to show you in your back office. When you go to leads, there's two ways to order leads, and let's go through this real quick. What kind of lead do you want? People are confused. What is a TCP prospect lead, and what is a personal lead? Well, if you click on TCP prospect lead, that means all the leads that you order, when you order this way, will go over here to your member manager. This also means they will be getting emails from corporate on your behalf. You cannot control your mailings here. We actually mail for you. Now, all leads, which we'll get into in another video, need to be called. Okay, if you want super good conversions, calling a lead over letting an email close a lead is way better. All right, so if you want to control your emails to your leads and you want to do email broadcast and you want to do your following up, then you probably might not want to order TCP prospect leads. What you'll probably want to order is what we call a personal lead. Now, anytime you order a personal lead, they all go into your contact manager. Not your member manager, but your contact manager. This also allows you to create an autoresponder, dump these leads onto that autoresponder. You control all the emails to them, email broadcasting, and text marketing if you want to do a text marketing blast to them. So you're in full control. So most people order the personal leads. Now, let's get into lead category. Lead category, we have generic male and female business leads, we have female only, and we have male only. Now, these leads here basically are, again, have gone through a page like the one that you just witnessed. And the difference is male and female. If you're good at, if your company has a product that can sell either a male or female, and you don't care who it is, you might want this. Female only business opportunity leads. These are great. Females, we originally put them in the back office because the females, we have a lot of female only businesses like makeup businesses and skincare businesses and women issues businesses and things like that, where people wanted to talk to just women. Also, but what we found is a lot of women and other businesses also order these leads because they don't like guys hitting on them, and they'd rather just talk to women, or they're looking to build a very successful women team. So these women leads are great. Also work really fantastic in the weight loss. A lot of women love weight loss products, so that's great too. And we also have male opportunity leads. Some of these companies have male-driven products for their libido, testosterone boosting, things like that. Works good. And some men are very comfortable talking to guys, but they're not so good at talking to the ladies. So that also works good. But a male could also buy all female leads, and a female could also buy all business leads, or you could buy a mix and match. Doesn't matter. Now, live interview leads, these leads are going to be more expensive, but what happens with these leads is someone actually has pre-called this lead and interviewed them. You're going to get the name of the person that called them. You're also going to get the answer. So you're going to say, let's say the lead's name was Mary, and Joe was the guy who called Mary. So you're going to know that Joe called Mary, and Mary said, for an example, here's some of the things that you'd ask her. Mary wants to make $4,000 a month. Mary has 20 hours a week available to work a business. Mary has money to invest. Okay, you're going to get that. Let me show you when you order a live interview leads where those answers will be. Okay, if you order a live interview lead, what I've done is I've gone to a contact and I hit edit, so my contact details open up. It'll be here in this extra info button, and so you can read it. Notice there's this little thing right here. If you just hold your mouse on it, you could pull down so you could see it, so you don't have to scroll. You could actually just see all the answers. So if you order an interview lead and you want to know where all the information that was interviewed, the answers and stuff, once you open up a lead, again, you'll see their name and their phone number and everything. But under the extra info section is where all the answers that they answered on the interview and the interviewer's name will be. All right, now let's go back to ordering leads again. All right, so lead category. So after you pick one, I'm just going to pick one here. You can pick whatever you want. Then you can choose, this says here, get response campaign. What, I have to order lead type. Now the next lead I want to see, after I enter personal, this came up. TCP mail campaign, what does that mean? Well, this is where you want these leads to drop in. So when you open this up, it's going to show you all of your autoresponders that you have made. If you haven't made an autoresponder yet, you might want to make one just for these leads. So let's go do that real quick. I'm going to click on autoresponder, new campaign, label. I'm just going to say order leads. I'm just going to name it that for. And after you name it, you would hit save. Now, here's the cool part. You don't have to create a message yet because the campaign right now is still inactive. So if you just want to order leads quickly and then you want to come up with an email series later, you can. And maybe some people just don't even like to make an email series. They only want to email broadcasts. They don't even want to write. They just want to blast out emails. So you could actually just write a message and send one out whenever you want. You don't have to have a whole series of messages made. But what you would have to do is you would have to activate that. You could activate it with no messages in there, because if you have no messages set up yet, none will be sent. So you can go back and create an email series later, create an email broadcast. But when you go back to your lead order, now that you've set up a special, basically you're setting up a list by doing that. So again, lead type, personal. You pick what you want. Campaign, TCP mail campaign. That one was called order leads, so I would select that. And now all of the leads, so you know, the leads actually go into your contact manager, so you can see them in the contact manager. But then they're also in your autoresponder under that list that you specify right here. So that's where all the leads will be dumped into, okay? It says get response mail campaign. This is only for people that are using get response as an autoresponder, if they didn't want to use ours. Why you would, I don't know, because we give you an unlimited autoresponder included. So this is optional. If you're using our autoresponder, you need to put nothing here. Okay, most people put nothing there because it doesn't matter. Then you choose your payment. You agree to the terms and conditions, and you agree that you get 10% extra. Know that leads are non-refundable because they're live. The minute you order them, you get them. Okay, you can't uncork the bottle, so to speak. Okay, so but we give a 10% overage just in case you get some bad phone numbers, get some idiots on there, which you probably will. So we give you a 10% overage on all lead orders. These leads come in pretty fast. I mean, we're generating hundreds of thousands of leads a week. So the minute you order leads, expect them to start pouring in very, very quickly. Okay. And again, if you order leads to personal, they'll end up in your contact manager. If you order leads to TCP, they end up in your member manager. Also remember, TCP has an autoresponder, and we control all the messaging here on your behalf. If you want to control your messaging, order personal. Most people order personal for that reason. Okay, in the next video, we'll get into kind of how to follow up with these leads, how to move them into the autoresponder, all those kind of things.